we're going to explain how to make an Excel file read-only. There are several ways to achieve this, depending on your needs and whether you want the restriction to apply to everyone or just yourself. 1. Using file properties, Windows. The simplest method is to change the file's properties directly in Windows. Locate your Excel file, right-click it, select Properties, and go to the General tab. Check the box that says Read Only. This will make the file read only for anyone who accesses it on that computer. Note that if someone copies the file and then removes this Read Only attribute, they will be able to edit it. Using file properties, Mac. The process is similar on a Mac. Right-click the Excel file, select Get Info, and check the locked box. This will also only apply to the specific computer. Again, copying the file would break this lock. 3. Using Excel's Share Workbook. Feature. If you want more control or need to collaborate while preventing accidental changes, Excel's Share Workbook feature offers a read-only option. Open your Excel file, go to the Review tab, and click Share Workbook. In the dialog box, check the Track Changes and select the option Make this workbook read-only recommended. This adds a recommendation to open the file in read-only mode. Importantly, users can still choose to ignore the recommendation and edit the workbook. 4. Protecting worksheets workbooks within Excel. For stronger protection, use Excel's built-in protection features. Select the worksheet or workbook you want to protect. Go to the Review tab and click Protect Sheet or Protect Workbook. You'll be prompted to set a password. This is a more robust method because it requires a password to disable read-only protection. But again, if the file is copied, then this protection is negated as well. Be sure to remember the password because it can't be retrieved if forgotten. Consider adding password protection to your sheets as well, for additional security, to prevent unauthorized changes to individual sheets, even if the workbook itself isn't protected. Using VBA for advanced users. For the most sophisticated approach, you can use Visual Basic for applications, VBA, within Excel to create a macro that prevents editing. This is a more complex method requiring programming knowledge and is generally only necessary for very specific situations. This also is negated if the file is copied and the VBA macro removed. Remember, no method is completely foolproof if someone determinedly wants to edit the file, especially if they copy it first. But these options provide varying levels of protection against accidental or unauthorized modifications to your Excel spreadsheets. Choose the method that best suits your needs and level of technical expertise.